Nancy Mehrotra of Group Airtel, and I'm going to speak on the topic Indian economy versus Chinese economy. Making an in-depth study and analysis of India versus Chinese economy seems to be a very hard task. Both India and China are among the world's most diverse nations, and their economies are influenced by a number of social, economic, and political, and many other factors. However, if we properly try to understand both the economies and their market trends, we can easily make the comparison between Indian economy and Chinese economy. Starting with the structure of the Indian-Chinese economy, we have a graph showing the GDP in US billion dollar in the years 1983, 1993, 2002 and 2003. We can see that there is an increase in the GDP of China since 1983, and in 2003 it was 1,412.3 US billion dollar. The GDP of China in 2001 was more than 1 trillion US dollar, and it ranked 6th among the world economy. The GDP growth rate in 2001 was 7.3%, and the graph shows China's GDP growth in RMB 100 million between the years 1952 to 2000. Next comes the structure of the Indian economy. We have the graph showing the GDP. We have the graph showing the GDP of India in US billion dollar from 1983 and 2003. We can see that there is increase in the GDP of India since 1983. In 1983, the GDP of India was 212.3 US billion dollar, and now it's and in 2003 it was 601.9 US billion dollar. Next comes the special aspect of our seminar. It's foreign trade policy. What is foreign trade policy? Foreign trade policy are the rules and regulations which pertain to trade. The purpose of trade policy of a nation is to help the nation's international trade run properly and smoothly. Objectives of India's new foreign trade policy 2010 to 2014 are to double the exports of goods and services till 2014 and to encourage the export industry of India. The targets of new economic policy of India 2010 to 2014 are: India is targeted for the export in the next 2 years, 2010 to 2011, at $200 billion, and the export growth rate is targeted to 15% for the next 2 years and 25% thereafter till 2014. The achievements of the foreign trade policy between 2004 to 2009 are: our exports witnessed a robust growth in 2008 to 2009, and our share of global merchandise trade was increased to 1.45% in 2008 to 2009 as per WTO estimates. Now comes the foreign trade policy of China. The simple average tariff has increased to 9% today. China's weighted average tariff is about 5%, and China is the world's largest trading nation. Next comes the statistical analysis of both the countries. The average GDP growth rate of China is more than that of India in the past 3 years. The graph shows the same, the percentage growth of China and India. The growth in manufacturing sector, agricultural sector and service sector of China is more than that of India. This proves that China has developed more than that of India. The graph shows the same. The graph shows the percentage of growth in the manufacturing sector, service sector and agricultural sector. Next comes the share of export in GDP. The share of export in GDP of China has increased. It's more than that of India. The graph shows the same. The graph shows the export to GDP in the years 1982 to 2000. The service, as compared to India, China has exported more services to different countries and leads India by 1%. The trade pattern of India and China includes export and import of both the countries. In the years 2001, 2002, 2003 and 2004. After comparison, we can say that China has 50% of savings rate, 300 million people as their middle class, and Walmart, the company of the US, bought 18 billion of goods, $10 billion of goods from the China. After comparison, India has savings rate of 26%, and Walmart purchased goods worth $2 billion. Concluding towards the future, we can say that China is targeted to achieve the target of 123 trillion US dollar till 2040, and China's per capita income would rise to $85,000 till 2040. Future of India, we can say that the economy of India would reach to $5 trillion in the coming future. The present situation of India is $1.2 trillion. This was all from our side. I hope you liked it. Thank you.